In this video, I'm going to show you how we made over $200 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you my method that I use to promote my affiliate links for free, just by using free traffic from Pinterest. I just use Pinterest to promote my affiliate links, and this is why I made over $200, as you can see over here, okay, in commission. So as you can see over here in my balance, I withdraw all my money, so I don't have any money right now. So I earn this amount, and as you can see over here, it's paid. So in this video, I want to share with you my method so you can use it to promote your affiliate links. If you are a beginner and you want to make money with affiliate marketing, this video is for you, and let's get started. So to start making money with Roladel affiliate marketing, you just need to go to Roladel. So first, you should have an account on Roladel like this one. So if you don't have one, go to Google, search for Roladel, and sign up by using your email address, Telegram, or others. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Roladel. So what you need to do is you just need to scroll down like this, go to the menu and click over here on affiliate, and it's really simple and easy. You will be directly in this Roladel affiliate page. Roladel doesn't have different accounts for affiliates, which makes it easy. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your affiliate page, and you should have an account on affiliate like this one. So what you need to do now is you need to go to your home page on Roladel. I'm going to share with you now the service that was promoted on Pinterest as an affiliate with Roladel, and it's trademark registration. Search for trademark registration like this. I want you to pay attention to this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. You need to choose good sellers. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find that those sellers are good sellers, for example, like levels, good description and reviews, they will buy the service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So make sure to choose good sellers. So for example, I will choose this one. This one has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Roladel service like this. What you need to do is to scroll down and copy his service link from your affiliate. What you need to do next is copy this link from here. And as you can see, this link is too long, so we need to make it short. You can use this website. Go to Google and search for Bitly. This website will make long links short, and you can use it for free. It's for free, of course. Just click over here to create a new link. Put your affiliate link here and click over here on create. And here you go. This is your affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to copy this link from here. And now we need to promote this link on Pinterest. So go to your Pinterest account. If you don't have a Pinterest account, go to Google, search for Pinterest, and make sure to open a business account, not a personal account. You need to choose a business account. Then, after you finish your sign up process on Pinterest, it's super easy and simple to click over here on create and click on create pin like this. You will be directly on this page. Scroll down, put your affiliate link here like this. This is my affiliate link. You need now to put your title. What you need to do is go back to your browser, to the seller page that you copied this link from, and copy his title because you are just an affiliate. You can use his information. Go to Pinterest, put this title over here like this, and over here you need to put this description. Go to his profile page again. Scroll down as you can see about this gig. This is his description. I'm going to copy just this part, just to show you, like this. Go to Pinterest. I'm going to put this part over here. This is my title description and my affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to put a picture about your affiliate link. Go back to this seller page and copy this picture about his trademark. Click save image like this. Name it, for example, Roladel save. And here I go back to Pinterest. Click over here and upload your picture. Here you go. This is my picture. This is my title, my description, my affiliate link. What you need to do is click over here to publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. And there's so much traffic that you can get to your affiliate link from Pinterest. A lot of people are using Pinterest to search for services and for digital products, physical products. So you can start making money with affiliate marketing just by using Roladel affiliates and Pinterest. And it's for free. Of course, you don't need to invest any money. You can start for free, just using free traffic from Pinterest. Let's see our affiliate link. As you can see, this is the picture. So for example, if someone comes to Pinterest and he is searching for trademark registration, he will search. He will click over here and search for a trademark. You will find my affiliate link like this. My title over here, my description. This is the picture of my affiliate service, and this is my affiliate link. If you will click on this affiliate link, for example, like this, as you can see, it will be directly in this seller page on Roladel. If you scroll down, you can click on continue and buy this service from this seller. I will get a commission on my Roladel affiliate page, and that's how I made over $200 just by using free traffic from Pinterest, and that I promote my affiliate links on Pinterest. And that's it, without investing any money in paid ads, just free traffic. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.